Alright, let's do this. Hello beginner wedding filmmakers. So today we are going to talk about pricing your wedding films. I am here to help you get started. One common mistake that many beginners make is offering every service for one price. For example, including the ceremony, first dance, speeches and other services for only 2.5K might seem like a good deal, but you will soon find out that you will spend much more time than you're actually worth working on the project. So we recommend, or I recommend, starting with the basic package that includes a 5 to 10 minute highlight movie and then offering extra services like the speeches, full ceremony or first dance. As your skill improves, you can offer more advanced editing and longer films. One pro tip for growing your business quickly is to raise your price step by step. If you feel comfortable enough and your films are improving each single time, consider to raise your price by $200 per wedding film. While this strategy can help you grow your business quickly, there is one downside. You all hear a lot of no because many people just won't have the budget for your service. However, don't lower your price when you are making good films. Instead, be patient and do some extra networking with planners or venues to see if they can provide you with more weddings. Remember guys, every market needs wedding videographers. You need to decide which market you want to work in. For example, if you want to shoot 40 to 50 weddings per season and charge up to 2.5 to 3.5K per wedding, you can make good money at the end of the year. So the downside of shooting that many weddings can become overwhelming. But if you handle it in a good way and expand your team to do the editing job for you, you can run a really successful business and have more peace of mind. So at the other hand, you can choose to focus on the big weddings with larger budgets that can easily pay you 10,000K or more for a wedding film. And then you can decide to shoot only 15 to 20 weddings per year. This way you can also earn good money, but the edits will take longer to create. However, the quality of your films can improve because you can spend way more time on each wedding film. It's also really essential to consider the amount of time that you want to spend on a wedding film. For instance, if you shoot 40 weddings for 2.5K and you only take 1 week for each wedding to edit, this can be a really good way to earn your income. But if you choose to focus on big weddings, the edits can take up to 4 to 6 weeks and you are able to charge more while doing fewer weddings. These are essential things to consider when starting out with your wedding business. Finding the right pricing structure takes time and experimentation. Guys, don't be afraid to adjust your price to stay competitive in your local market. With patience and hard work, you can grow your wedding filmmaking business and achieve really great success. Thank you so much for tuning in. Stay happy, stay filming, and really good luck with pricing your videos. Alright, see you guys. Bye bye.